Whether your kids are back in school learning or they're learning from home, you're gonna need to feed them some healthy school lunches or snacks. We got you covered. Hi, I'm Annie from KetoFocus.com, and today I've teamed up with ChocZero, and we're gonna share with you guys some delicious kid-friendly keto snacks. These are two very simple, easy to make recipes that your kids are gonna love. They literally take seconds to make. The first one we're gonna do is make a variation of ants on the log. The first thing you need to do is chop up some celery, and you want to make your celery around like 3 to 4 inches long. And then we're going to swipe down some peanut butter on top, or you could use cream cheese if you wanted. And there's a lot of different variations to these and different toppings that you can put on. Traditionally, you add on raisins, but raisins are high in sugar, so we're gonna use sugar-free chocolate chips. These chocolate chips are by ChocZero. They're sugar, alcohol-free, and of course sugar-free, and my kids love them. So just sprinkle down some of these chocolate chips on top of the peanut butter. Another variation you can do is add some fruit. So I'm gonna add on some blueberries. And now our blueberries are gonna be the ants that are on top of the log. So I have some blueberries here, and then to give it a little extra sweetness, we're gonna just drizzle on some ChocZero's caramel syrup. This syrup is sugar-free and sugar alcohol-free. Another fun variation is to make a caterpillar instead. So we have our peanut butter down on our piece of celery, and then we're gonna top it with just a few grapes and a cherry tomato. And then to that cherry tomato, you can put on some eyes, and I'm gonna be using some chocolate chips by ChocZero. To help it stick, just add a little bit of peanut butter to the back of the chocolate chip. And that's it. These are some fun variations of ants on the log that your kids will love. Now the next healthy low-carb snack that you could feed to your kids is white chocolate stuffed raspberries. This is very, very easy to put together. You just take a raspberry and take a white chocolate chip by ChocZero and stuff it inside the cavity. And that's it. These are fun. Your kids will just have a little tasty treat inside the raspberry and they'll love them. We hope you guys enjoyed these fun recipes that you can give to your kids. Make sure you tag us, ChocZero, with all of your photos of your ants on the log and white chocolate stuffed raspberries.